Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, I'm here in Syria in an area called Abyyad. I'm standing in a building where we need to build another bread factory. Alhamdulillah, we've already got multiple bread factories. This area here is about 400 square foot, you can see. I'm going to take you around, I'm going to show you the area. Now, what this inshallah will produce once it's all completed is we'll be able to produce 150,000 loaves of bread per day. We're going to run the factory for 20 hours per day. That's going to split over 10 hours. So we'll have two 10-hour shifts. Between those 10-hour shifts, there's going to be a production of 75,000 loaves, and there'll be 13,000 free loaves given out. Other loaves will be sold for 1 lira, inshallah. And I just want to show you around the space. So what will happen is we have space here for the conveyor belt, and then we'll build another one here, inshallah, in the future if capacity allows. I want to show you what the factory is going to look like. So this bread factory will approximately cost just over about 100 to 130,000 pounds, inshallah. We'll get the budgets reviewed, we'll get them assessed properly, inshallah. We've had a look at what we've been given, but we need to do some further searches. Now, the bread, once it's produced, inshallah, the vehicles that the bread is sent through will be covered by the governments. The running costs will be covered by the governments. The expenditure that is needed to make the factory run, alhamdulillah, will be covered. So all we need for this particular factory, which is different to the ones that we've done before, is we just need we need the cost to build the actual equipment, to fix the building, the money we spent on fixing the tiles on the floor, new lighting, windows, fixing the roof because there are leaks in this current building, and the funds will go towards making it fully functional, inshallah. This is an office, we'll have a storage room, inshallah, and I want to show you, it'll be easier for me to show you kind of what it looks like at the moment. So we have bread factories running across the street here, so we're going to replicate this model, inshallah. So I'll take you over there now. So what you'll see here, this is the model that we're going to replicate. This is already being run by the government. So you can see there's two conveyor belts running at the moment. So this one is double what we want to do, and we'll be able to replicate that, inshallah. So you can just see how it's working. The machinery is the same as the one that we have in Afrin, alhamdulillah. The model is the same, the system is the same, the quality is the same, and essentially this is what we want to do. So you can see here, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So there are multiple bread machineries running here. So just to give you an insight in terms of how important this bread factory is, imagine there is a bread factory here already producing thousands of loaves. Now we need one in here, and this is what we need from you to support. We need you to support this factory, inshallah. Please visit Muslim Hands all over the UK, make this bread factory happen so we can support thousands of Syrian refugees in Syria, inshallah.